What you getting all worked up about? Is you in your playful mood? He'll get fussy at the end. Oh yeah? Get worked up, baby. Tell him. Say, I'm here and my name is Jonathan. Bless you, bless you. Hey, baby. Is you in your playful mood? What you doing? Hey, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi to you. Boop. What you doing? You just chilling? Look at that belly. Look at that belly. Oh, yeah. There's a big belly. It comes all the way over here. Heck, there's only half of it. Can't see because of shade. Yeah. That's my boy. Is that my chunky little cheek? Is that my chunky little... So your nose is stuffy, Joseph's nose is stuffy, Mommy's nose is stuffy, Grandpa's nose and Maryland's stuffy. Don't think of allergic to its ingredients or taking other medicines without the same selection. Jonathan, Mommy loves you. Hey, baby. Tell the doctor of your child's medicine and medical conditions, including heart, liver, or kidney problems. Birdie boy. Ask your doctor about once daily non-stimulus insulin. Oh, I didn't mean to poke you. Look. Your nose makes a funny noise like Joseph's. Does that make you mad? Does that make you mad? I'm sorry. That way you get fussy, huh? Plays the drums and then he gets mad because he can't get the right beat. So he sings the wrong tune. Good night.